Hey everybody, welcome back to Going Ballistic. Super excited for today's video. Finally got a ballistic pillow from RTS Tactical. Really tough stuff. I've been wanting to do this video for a while. There's already been some videos out with it. Edwin, One Shot TV, and Mr. Guns and Gear, they did some really good videos. But you know, we like to do things a little different on this channel. So we got another arm from Chris and the girls out there at Ballistic Dummy Lab. Thank you. But I dropped it. Yeah, so it already has a split in the wrist. Just, you know, disclaimer, if you guys see this, it was Doofus's fault. But anyways, a really cool pillow. This is memory foam. I tried sleeping on it. Can't do it because I have to sleep on my side with my pillow all crunched up. And this pad in here, this thing unzips. This is your ballistic pad, so it covers quite a big area in the pillow, which is nice. This thing kind of cuts against my shoulder, so personally I can't sleep with it. If you sleep on your back and don't move that much, probably a very comfortable pillow as it is memory foam. So unzips, Velcro comes right off. Level 3A plus pad. Now this is not special rifle rated round, so you guys are just stuck with the old man today. Justin is down in Florida again, but here's what I'm going to be shooting. I have 9mm, should stop it no problem. 40 should stop it no problem. 3A plus can stop up to a 44. I don't have a 44, but I got Justin's 45 here. This thing's a pretty good hand cannon, so we'll see what that'll do. And then I'm gonna go a step further. I am gonna try a 12 gauge slug and see what that does. I'm thinking that's gonna snap the arm no problem. Statistics show, you know, most home break-ins are gonna be with a handgun, because, you know, this thing coming around, unless it's one of the 3-letter alphabet people, they should stop any of these rounds. But we're going to see what happens to the bone, see if you can break the bone. Again, we know there's tendons and nerves and all that that might get damaged in this, but will your bone break? And then last, what I'm going to do is I got to break out one of my favorite World War II PPS 43. Yes, this is nothing but full giggle on it, and we're going to dump about 15-20 rounds in it and just see all in the same spot if one of these will actually go through. So this is what I got for you guys. So hit that subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, because this is going to be a good video. Let's get to it. All right, first one up's 9mm, got hollow points. I'm about 6 yard meters away. Here we go. Let's check it out. Okay. Good solid shot for me. I'm pretty good at 6 yard meters away. So it ripped it some more. You can see, now I stapled the heck out of this pillow in here because any energy transfer is definitely coming through this pillow. You can see it did push against it. I don't see any broken bones, but we got to push my hand back up in there and we'll try the 40, see what that does. I'll try a little lower. Oop, broke my pinky. So it's definitely transferring energy through that pillow and into your arm. Not sure if you can hold on to it with that 9mm. I'm sure it'll hurt, but hey, next round, here we go. Okay, Springfield Armory, 40, here we go. A little lower this time. No problem. No problem. Clear, let's check it out. All right, hit the 40 right there. Arm was right behind it, so let's check out the backside. All right, the backside here, I'll open this thing up once I'm done trying to tear it up, but I actually don't feel any bulge in the armor itself. It just keeps moving my arm back, which sucks, but oh well, it's all I got. All right, let's stick it back up there. All right. On to the next round. All right, I've never shot this hand cannon before. Let's see what I could do. Boom! Boom! Let's check it out. All right, hit right down here. Good center shot. Arms right behind it. Let's check out the back. So that was pretty cool, man. Move down there. I can't feel any bulge on this on this body armor. It kind of took that one in no problem. I don't feel it over here. No broken bones. All right, we're good. So now let's go on to the 12 gauge slug. That's gonna do some damage. All right, 12 gauge slug from 6 yard meters. This ought to hurt, man. Here we go. Oh, let's check it out. Made a little butthole right here. Man, I can see that all the way in there. Don't look, kids. Oh, wow, that pushed that thing back. Let's check out the back. So, I had a little jazz hand going on there. Ripped that right out. That thing bulged bad. I'm sure that that would have snapped your arm. This one, no bones are broken here, but that doesn't mean anything. I'm sure that would have definitely destroyed some nerves, muscle damage. Obviously, it hit with some force and ripped the hand the rest of the way out. This is really cool stuff that Ballistic Dummy Lab makes, man. So I'm gonna put this one back and we're just gonna pepper that bad boy right in the center if I can do it with the PPS 43. Here we go. Time for my favorite, PPS 43. Here we go, full giggle, she's on. Well, it didn't poop out an arm. Let's check it out. Oh, I love it, man. The PPS 43 is so easy to handle. I just love it. It stayed right on target. Well, you guys have already seen the high speed. Let's check out the backside. Oh, heck. I got to look at the high speed real quick and see which one of these actually came through. All right, so it looks like around the 12th and 13th round, I think, actually broke through. Again, it's very compromised in the center. I'm sure the Kevlar was already ripped, but hey, it held up for another 12 rounds anyways, and then busted a couple through. All right, well, now that this thing is freaking just mangled and tore up, I'm gonna shoot one more 12 gauge slug and see if I can get that bad boy just to rip through the arm. Here we go. Yep, I don't know about you guys, but that looks really painful. Ouch. All right, 6 yard meters, Black Aces, tactical slug. Here we go, right in the center. Oh, I see I see the arm waving to me. Let's check it out. Right in the center, gave it another belly butthole. Let's check out the back. Woo, that was awesome. Okay, it didn't go through, but again, man, I'm sure you were dropping this pillow. That's one fast slug, so that was pretty cool. Arm was over here waving to me. Oh, if that doesn't make you want to rush out and buy one of those bullet bottle openers, I don't know what does. But hey, support our channel. There's a link in the description below and go buy one of our bottle openers. Again, that was all 50 cal that was shot by Justin and I, and we did all the work on it. It's not farmed out. It's not aftermarket junk. It's all stuff that we've done. So we appreciate you guys. Want to give you a quality product. Okay. I'm going to turn this thing around. I'm going to put this back up in here. And yes, I'm going to do 15 more rounds of the PPS 43 right on the arm, see what happens. Here we go. All right, 15 rounds. Let's see how she does. Let's check it out. Oh, I just love this stuff. Looks like a couple came through because there's some Kevlar popped out the other side. Oh, I love making a mess of this Ballistic Dummy Lab stuff. They make some of the best stuff. Thanks, Chris. Thanks, girls. You guys are the best. Oh, gross. All right, let's take this pillow apart and see what it looks like on the inside. That's all you needed. All right, let's check it out. I think I ruined the zipper here a little bit with these staples, but they held. That's good. Oh, whoo! Wow, check that out. There is the slug to the 12 gauge. I tell you, it's still pretty good stuff, man. I mean, it is better than nothing. So I'm gonna bring these up, check this out. So check these things out. Here is the 12 gauge slug. That's pretty. And then got a 9mm here. Here's some 40s. I'm assuming these might be 9s, I'm not sure. They mushroomed very nicely. So the pillow is trashed. Bullet's still falling out. This thing you can see swelled up really big, the Kevlar. It's the real deal. Thanks RTS for sending this out just so I can tear it up. You know, I really appreciate that. Part of bone inside of it. That's pretty cool. All right, well, there you have it, folks. The RTS tactical pillow is not a bad pillow. It's really not a bad idea. Like I said, if you sleep a certain way, the pillow's very comfortable, or it can be one of those you just throw on the floor, but you can pick it up, grab it, and go. It is better than nothing. Don't forget, pick up one of your bottle openers, link in the description below. Thank you, Chris and the girls at Ballistic Dummy Lab. Again, RTS. And thank you all for watching these videos. We really appreciate it. Justin, hurry home, and we'll be back.